Hi all, this is my project. It's a Hexapod robot that I've 3D printed out. It's controlled by a Raspberry Pi, which fits underneath this expansion board here for I2C peripherals. I've got 6 legs with 3 degrees of freedom each, so that means 18 servos each. To control that, I've got 2 servo controller boards, or PCA9685 boards. You can see one of them is nestled under here and the other one is on the right here. So all that takes quite a bit of current, so underneath I've got 2 voltage regulators, one for each servo control board, and it's powered by a 2S LiPo cell. There's a screen on top to show some diagnostic data. I use it to show battery voltage, so I know when to charge my batteries. And also there's a gyroscope and magnetometer on top, which is not currently used. So all these parts will be in the description below. Alright, enough talking about the hardware, now it's time to talk about the code. The robot uses an inverse kinematic model to move the legs, which is validated in a Jupyter notebook before being deployed onto the RPi using Python. A tripod gate was used, which lifts alternate sets of 3 legs. The remaining 3 legs on the floor maintain robot stability and propel the board further forward. For control, I use the Xbox controller connected to my computer, which then communicates to the RPi via sockets. I have wanted to build this robot for quite a long time, but never really committed to putting the effort to see it into fruition. However, my experiences in ICRS have inspired me to carry through with finally doing this. Taking part in SumoBot 2020 gave me plenty of CAD and fabrication experience, helping with the hardware aspect of this robot. And just seeing what the other ICRS members have been up to, tinkering on their own passion projects, has opened my eyes to see what is possible if I let myself dream a little more. To conclude, I would like to tell future makers not to give up on their ideas, even if they may seem far-fetched or difficult to realize. So don't be disheartened if the dream or idea you have at the moment seems a little out of reach. Work towards it, and someday it can become a reality.